Hello everyone, this is VVS team. In this video, we are going to see what is inheritance and how to use inheritance and types of inheritance in Java. So, what is inheritance? The process by which one class acquires the properties like variables and functionalities like methods of another class is called inheritance. So, normally, inheritance consists of minimum of two classes, a parent class and a child class. A parent class has the class C, the parent class whose properties and functionalities are inherited by another class is known as parent class, superclass or base class. So a child class that extends the feature of another class is known as child class, subclass or derived class. For example, class A is parent class and class B is child class. If A acquires some values and functionalities and methods and we extend the class from A to B acquires all the value of A class. This is also mentioned in the types of classes and objects in Java in the previous videos. The aim of inheritance is to provide reusability of code so that a class has to write only unique features and rest of the common properties and functionalities can be extended from another class. So class A contains the types like variable A, B and C. So after extending the class A, we can assign the value A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to A plus B, like that. So inheritance in Java. See, this is class A and class B. Class A is public class A defined normally. If you want to extend the class, public class B extends class A is used. The class to be created and the extends A is the class from which we are going to extend. So there are four types of inheritance: single, multiple, multi-level and hierarchical. So we are going to see from single inheritance. A class B is extended from class A. This is called as single inheritance. The next type of inheritance is called as multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, a subclass is created from a superclass and another subclass is created from the same base class, but two subclass does not know what the data present in that class. This is called as multiple inheritance. Here I am going to create a class named A. So this is class A. This consists of three variables: int A, int B, int C. The values of A, B and C are not mentioned here. So we can create a new class named class B which extends the value of class A. Want the values from the A to be extended in B. So I am using extend function, extends, and from A I am going to extend, so using A. Now the value of A is given as 2 into an integer. Now I can get the value of S, B in D. D is equal to B. Again, I am assuming the value of C is equal to 0. Let's take it as 10. So int sum is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is called a single inheritance. I am going to create another class C. This extends the value of A. As you have seen before, I have extended A from B. This is called a single inheritance. A from B, single inheritance. So I am also doing another single inheritance from A to C. So now I have two subclasses, that is two base classes, derived classes from one superclass. A is the superclass and two derived class. This is called as multiple inheritance. A multiple inheritance consists of a class. Class E is considered as class A, which consists of A and B, two classes with same parent class. Here also I can get the values of A, B and C, but I cannot access the value of D, S and sum from the B class, which is extended from A class. Extending, so int W is equal to B, E is equal to, so the values of A, B and C, that is 2. The third type of inheritance is called as multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a subclass is created from superclass. Then again a subclass is created from class A is created, which is extended to B from A, and another class C is created, which is extended from B. So in this place, the A, B and C are assumed as multiple inheritance. While I convert the value of C, that is the extended class C, to B, this acts as multi-level inheritance. So the values of S, D and sum can be accessed. So let's check that. So this is the use of inheritance. So class A to B is called as single inheritance and B to C is called as multiple inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, sorry. The difference between multiple and multi-level is this only. If a class is extended from the derived class, it is called as multi-level. If the class is extended from the original subclass, original superclass, it is called as multiple inheritance. The next type of inheritance is called as hierarchical or hybrid inheritance. These two types of inheritance cannot be achieved in Java using classes. This may cause an error. It is achieved one class when one class have more than one superclass and inherit features from all the parent class. For this program, I am going to create interface. A interface can be created by clicking the Java and then clicking this class button. To differentiate the interface, I am using A1. I have created a new interface. So this interface can be assigned a variable, a method name should not consist the body, and the variable should be static and public. So I am going to create and also the variable values should be mentioned here using direct declaration. Indirect declaration may brings us runtime error, sorry, compile time error. A and B are assigned in the interface and also the method is also should be assigned here. An interface can be implemented using a class or the interface can be extended using another interface. But an interface cannot be implemented using another interface. I am using a class A2 implements A1. Error is class A2 must either be declared abstract or implement abstract method sum A. This void sum without any method, without any body inside the interface is called as abstraction. A principle of OOPS concept. It has shown that I should implement the sum and give something inside it. That means we are going to assign a value to the method void sum is equal to A plus B, and the value of sum acquired from the A and B using the interface is located in the sum, and using the print statement I am going to print the value of sum. It is showing that it is attempting to assign weaker access privilege. So the interface is also public and the method is also public. So this is inheritance, and this is called as implementing a inheritance using a class. Now where is the hierarchical or hybrid inheritance? Now we have just created an interface and learned how to implement using class. Now I'm going to create another interface. Interface A3. First we have chosen single interface implement using the class. Now we have two interface and we should know how to implement it. It's simple. Class A2 implements A1, A2. Much easier than implementing classes. I'm going to do same thing done for the sum. Here the multiplication includes two values with cross function. I'm using Q, W and then system.out.print. So this indicates two values are implemented in a same class, and when I run this program the two values of multiplication and addition is printed. So I have created an object for the class C. I'm going to print the values present inside the C, that is Q, W and E. Example dot Q. Please note this. I have initiated A is equal to 2, 5 and 10, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 10A, and this extends to B. This B value is assigned to S, D and sum, and it is extended by C. The values of D, S and sum is passed to Q, W and E. So when I run this program, you can see the function of inheritance. See, now the output has came. This is the use of interface. Likewise, the same function and same operation is done in the interface also. While I extend the class A2 and print void sum, that means calling the function sum and calling the function multiply, prints the values of sum and the prints the values of multiply. So okay, note a point. I'm using same package inheritance 01, so I can directly extend the class and I can directly create an object of A2. But if you want to create a class or create an object, you should give in a same package. Let's see the output. We do not need any print statement for this function because already a print statement is given in the class. Now the values have been printed. This is the use of inheritance and this is the use of interface and its implementation. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos on Java, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.